about kind of achieving this artificial general intelligence, or AGI, it can mean a lot of things to a lot of different people. And honestly, we're still pretty early on that journey. I think one of the things that we might expect to see, though, is that we have some pretty useful assistants. So imagine you're on Slack, and you kind of message your coworker, like, hey, can you go do this thing for me over here? Hopefully more and more, the AI can be that coworker or that assistant, your sidekick, that you're kind of messaging on Slack. I'm like, hey, can you just go check that Google Doc and summarize it for me, and come back to me? I think that's kind of how we're going to see this evolution. And you can kind of imagine that more and more complex work could come from that. So I think that's kind of where we might see this journey and this path. So if you're trying to figure out, what does that even mean? I might think about it as a useful kind of assistant at work for you. And again, the goal is not to really replace humans here. It's to have an assistant that's helping us do our work more efficiently, kind of do what Mark was saying, get that productivity boost for everybody.